Hey, what's going on, guys? My name's CJ. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sync or resync a new remote to your garage opener. Just get yourself a ladder, about 6-foot ladder. Should be tall enough. That's a 6-foot ladder. This would be pretty much the same process for most garage openers. You're going to come up to your garage opener and you see different buttons. You see radio, learn, increase, open force, close limit, and open limit. Okay, so you can set different settings, but we're talking about just syncing this remote control. And just so you know, if you need to open it and change the battery, you just open it on the side here. There's a little notch. You can just pry it open with your fingers or a little flathead. It's a 2032 coin cell battery, okay? Get that at Walgreens, CVS, any store that will sell these kind of batteries. Sits right in there with one post in the corner there, just like that. Make sure you follow the way the post is. It's gonna connect down, and then you're just gonna push down. You're gonna hear it click, and then you're good to go, okay? All right, so that's just for the battery itself, but we're gonna sync this right now, okay? So if you don't have the directions say to press and hold the learn button, which is right here, for about 1 second, and let go. So that flashes. Okay, while it's in the learn mode, you're gonna go ahead and press any button that you want. Just hold it down, and then a blue light flashes on the remote control, and then you'll see that flash. As soon as that stops flashing, you should be good to go. Let's see if the garage opens. Yep, there you go. It's that simple. Like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.